Good morning. Last class we learnt at last Matilda went where? Madame Forestier's house, and Madame Forestier ready to give her whatever she wants. Okay, she showed her mirrored wardrobe, and here in there Matilda saw some bracelets, then pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. She kept asking, you have nothing else, means any other ornaments, you have any other ornaments? Okay, she started asking questions. Okay, now see page number 20. Why, yes, but I don't know what you like. I don't know what you like, which ornaments you like, no idea about that. Okay, now see, suddenly she discovered means seen. Okay, saw in a black satin box. Okay, now see, pearl necklace already showed everything. Now black, suddenly Matilda saw a black satin box, a super diamond necklace. See, black satin box and super diamond necklace, and her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire, means here wish. Okay, started beating after seeing such a wonderful, precious diamond necklace. Okay, that also where it is a black satin box, super diamond necklace. Okay, her hands trembled. Trembled means shaken. Okay, as she took it, as she hold it, her hands shaken. She fastened it. Fastened means tied. Okay, tied it around her neck and stood. Stand, present tense, stood, past tense. Okay, and stood lost in ecstasy. Okay, stood lost in ecstasy. Ecstasy means joyful or excitement, full of excitement. Okay, she tied that diamond necklace. Okay, where? Around her neck, and stood lost it ecstasy. Okay, ecstasy, sorry, as she looked at herself after seeing her beauty. Okay, she what? Lost in ecstasy means joyful excitement. Okay, now see next para. Okay, now Matilda tied what? Necklace around her neck and stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself, means her beauty, such one pretty, okay, sight after seeing. Okay, again and again she what? Started seeing herself only. Okay, then she asked anxiously. Anxiously means worried. Okay, hesitating, that means unwillingly, would you lend me this, just this, please, would you give me this? Lend means give, just this, I want this, I want this diamond necklace, please give me it. Why, yes, of course, why are you asking? Of course you take it. Okay, who said? Madame Forestier. Okay, now see, she threw her arms around her friend's neck. Okay, showed happiness, that means rapturously means with great pleasure. Rapturously means then fled means run away with her treasure. Fly, present tense, flew, past tense, fled, past participle. Okay, fled means run away with her treasure. Okay, with her treasure means here what? Black satin box, a superb diamond necklace, that treasure. Okay, she ran away. Now see here, one question given here. Okay, which sentence tell us that Matilde greatly desired the necklace? Which sentence? See page number 20, third line. Page number 20, third line. Her heart began to beat. See here. Okay, her here onwards. Her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. That this point. Okay, after that Her hands trembled as she took it. She fastened it around her neck and stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself. This also, and one more. Then she asked anxiously, hesitating, "Would you lend me this, just this?" Okay. After that, one more sentence, which she threw her arms around her friend's neck rapturously, then fled with her treasure. Okay. These all, which this sentence, okay, tell us that Matilda what greatly desired the necklace. Okay, these all lines. Okay, just now I explained these all sentences tells us what, that Matilda greatly desired the necklace. Is that clear? Now see, the day of the party arrived. Okay, the day of the party arrived. Madame Loisel was a success. Madame Loisel means here who? Who? Matilda. Okay, Loisel her surname. Madame Loisel was success. She was prettier than all the other women. She looks prettier than all other women. Okay. Elegant. Elegant means graceful. Okay. Elegant, graceful, and gracious means pleasant. Smiling and full of joy. Smiling and full of joy. Okay. After seeing her beauty. Okay. Along with diamond necklace. Okay. Now see next. She danced widely. That means lack of discipline. Widely means, okay. She danced widely means lack of discipline with passion. With passion means that strong feeling or desire. Okay. Forgetting everything in the tram. Forgetting everything in the tram. Tram means victory. Why? She wore diamond necklace. So, okay. Of her beauty and success. Floating in a cloud of happiness. Okay. Means full of joy and excitement. Okay. Floating. She started floating. Okay. Now, listen. One more question. Try to express the thoughts that must have passed through Matilda's mind on seeing the necklace in Matilda's own words. Okay. See this question. Here one question given. One question given there. Okay. Why? She thought that I will be the most elegant, gracious, prettiest, beautiful woman at the party. All the other will crowd around me and admire me. Everyone will feel jealous after seeing me. Okay. This is all whose thought? That Matilda's. Okay. Her express. Next to see one more question. Next pair. Okay. Here. Matilda and her husband left at about 4 o'clock now. Till they danced and enjoyed, both Matilda as well as her husband. Okay. Now they left that party 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay. When they were finally in the street, they reached street. Okay. They could not find a cab. Cab means taxi. Okay. Could not find a cab. Why? 4 o'clock in the morning. No, so. Okay. They walked down towards the scene. Scene means here fishing net. Okay. Near roadside, they kept fishing net. Scene means here fishing net. Till they found one. Okay. Till they found one cab. Okay. By walk, they walked down towards the scene. Till they found one, they were dropped off at their door. At last, they were reached, okay, in the Rue des Martyrs, and sadly, okay, now at last they reached that street. Okay, one street, Paris, that street's name. Okay, Rue des Martyrs, and sadly it was all over for her. Why she was sad? Party over. Okay, that's why. Now see here one more question. See one more question. Why did Matilda not notice the loss of her necklace earlier? Why? Why Matilda not notice the loss of her necklace earlier? See here, okay? The day of the party arrived, okay, from here to till cloud of happiness. Answer, okay? The day of the party arrived to till floating in a cloud of happiness. That question's answer, okay? After that you write, in all this excitement, Matilde did not notice the loss of her necklace. Okay, first you write where the day of the party arrived to till cloud of happiness. After that you write, in all this excitement, then again Matilde or Matilda, okay, did not notice the loss of her necklace earlier. Okay, is that clear? Now see, sad. Okay, why she was sad? Party is over. So okay, now next see, in front of the mirror she took a final look at herself in all her glory at last. Okay, final look. Okay, pretty dress also, and along with what, diamond necklace. So she want to see her again. Okay, so where she stand? In front of the mirror. Okay, but suddenly she uttered a cry. Suddenly she started to cry. Okay, she no longer had the necklace around her neck. Why she started crying? Okay, no necklace round her neck. Okay, what is the matter? Asked her husband. Okay, after seeing her cry, her husband asked, okay, what is the matter? Who said the following words to whom? What is the matter? Who? Matilda's husband said this to Matilda. Okay, Matilda's husband said this to Matilda. This, okay. What is the matter? Okay. She turned towards him, panic stricken. Here meaning given. Panic stricken means with the, see, panic stricken. Here meaning given. That means what? With a sudden feeling of fear. Okay. I no longer have Madame Forrester's necklace. Okay, Madame Forrester's diamond necklace I lost. Okay, full of what? Worry, anxious. Okay, panic stricken, sudden feeling of fear. Okay, she said. He stood up. Now, her husband stood up. Okay, distraught means worried or disturbed, worried or disturbed. What? How? That's impossible. Okay, who said? Matilda's husband. Okay, what? How? That's impossible. Who said the following words to whom? Matilda's husband said this to Matilda. Okay, Matilda's husband said this to Matilda. Okay, now see here, one more question. Okay. No, question over. Okay, question over. This question last. All three questions you write, and meaning also whatever I discuss you write. Okay, thank you.